Oh yeah, here we are at the Beerwah camping ground down Roy's Road. So just over there is what's this place called? Is it called Coochin Creek?
Yeah.
Coochin Creek is over there, and you'll see on other videos we've got the drone up in the air today. We've gone over to Bells Creek Road and filmed over there as close as we could to the airport. It wouldn't let us film where we really wanted to film because we wanted to film further along Bells Creek Road and find out, find where the workman's. There's a workman's road on Bells Creek that goes across to the new suburbs being built at the bottom of Caloundra there. But we couldn't put the drone up in the air there because of the airspace around the airfield. So we filmed sort of what we could on Bells Creek Road. That'll be one of the videos, and then we've put the drone up in the air above the campground here. And now we're going to the end of Roy's Road to see if we can't get before this thunderstorm. if we've got enough battery on the drone, we're hoping to get some footage of Bells Creek and no, it's not called Bells Creek. What's this called? Coochin Creek. Yeah, Bells Creek's over there. We couldn't film Bells Creek because it's too close to the airport. It won't let us put the drone in there and film Bells Creek, which would have been really interesting because if you film Bells Creek, you'd see just through the mangroves, Pelican Waters and Caloundra's just through there. I would have loved to have filmed that and shown how close it all is, but we couldn't. But anyway, hopefully at the end of Roy's Road, he will be able to film North Bribie Island, like the north end of Bribie Island and the Pumicestone Passage and stuff. Over and out. It's actually sprinkling on me now, so I don't know if we'll end up doing it, but we'll try. Good night.